product, simply click on the menu products on the left side of the editor and click on the Create New Product button. We will be creating a men's t-shirt. Start by filling some basic information on the product name, and the product description. The text on product image feature is perfect for when you're having a sale or wish to communicate something brief about the product. For now, let's leave this field blank. Next field is delivery. Here you can select how long the product will take to be delivered and also the out-of-stock behavior. Next section is price. Now, it is very important to remember that prices must be added without tax. So, let's add our prices without tax in the fields. If you want to have a sale price on the product while running a campaign, you can do it by simply defining when do you want it to start and end in these fields. Regarding tax, the editor automatically calculates the rates depending on the type of product. It is because the process is automated that it's so important that you add the prices without tax. Our product is a physical good, so let's choose that from the list. In the visibility field, you can hide the product or make it visible from a specific date. If the product is hidden, this means that it won't be shown on the catalog to your clients. By default, a product is visible from the moment of creation. Now, at this stage, it is very important to think ahead about your product types and how you wish to display them on your shop. Remember how we have decided to have the products divided by both target and kind? Here is where we should add the tags that will allow the organization of the products on each catalog. In our example, this t-shirt should appear in the men's section and in the clothes subsection. Finally, within clothes, we want to be able to identify it as a top. Those should be our tags. Let's type down men, clothes, tops. When typing them down, they will automatically be saved, and you can always check them later under the Category Tags menu on the left side of the editor. Now that we have defined tags, let's think about variations. What are the existing variations of the t-shirt? Does it come in different sizes, or does it come in different colors? In this case, we have both variations. We can click on the link to add our variation labels. This takes us to the Variation Labels menu on the left side of the editor. Here we can create our variation labels by clicking on the Add Variation Label button. As we have decided, we want our variations to be color and size. Let's start with color. We know that the t-shirt can be black, white, or red. These are the variation options. Now let's repeat it for size. In this case, the variation options are small, medium, and large. Click on Save and go back to Product button to save your variation labels. Now that we have added the variation labels, we can apply them to our product. Now, one thing you must have in mind is which variation is more visibly different, color or size. This is very important because when adding different pictures to your products, they can only be added on the primary variation label. So because it is more relevant to have pictures of the t-shirt in different colors than in different sizes, we should add color as our primary variation label and size as our secondary label. This concludes our basic information on our t-shirt. It is now time to add our product variants. At this level, all the variants of your product must be created. This means that there must be a combination of both colors and sizes. Edit the first line to add variation options. In our example, we will be creating the variation black in small. So all we have to do is choose black from the variation label color and small from the variation label size. Here you can also add your stock keeping unit and the current quantity of products of that kind that you have in stock. The next field is delivery and out-of-stock behavior, in case you want to define a specific delivery and behavior per variant. And the same with price. By default, the variants inherit the basic product price, but you can define a different one if you wish to do so. In regards to tags, variants will inherit the tags of the basic product. However, if you want to have specific tags for each variant, you can do it on this field. Right after, there is a small note field in which you can add a note that only you can see. After we have the shipping characteristics. For your convenience, the editor allows you to add the details for the shipping of each variant. This is relevant because your shipping costs might vary depending, for example, on weight. Finally, you also have the visibility feature at the variant level. This concludes this variant. Regarding the other variants, at the end, we will need to have black t-shirts in small, medium, and large, white t-shirts in small, medium, and large, and red t-shirts in small, medium, and large. Now that most of the information is completed, it is time to add some pictures. Because we have chosen color as our primary variation label, we'll be able to add pictures to the variant black, white, and red. Upload an image from your own computer or choose from an existing image from your library. For a more consistent and professional design, we advise you to upload pictures with the same ratio size so they all look similar on the product catalog. After we've added some pictures to our products, we can add some SEO elements that can optimize them to a search engine. It is possible to give the product page a title, a description, and even a permalink to each product. If you don't fill in any field and save the product, the fields will be automatically completed with the product name, description, and permalink. You can always go back and change all the details. And with this, we finalize the product creation process. Don't forget to click on Save Product, and that's it. The new product should be included in your product list.